Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Square to Google Sheets step by step clearly. To connect Square to Google Sheets, start by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the Square dashboard. Click on the Apps section in the menu. In the Apps section, search for Google Sheets using the search bar. Select the Google Sheets app from the search results. Click on the Connect button to start the integration process. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and allow the necessary permissions. Once connected, choose the specific Square data you want to import to Google Sheets. Select the time frame for the data you want to pull. After setting your preferences, click on the Import button. Your Square data will now begin to transfer to Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets in a new tab to view your imported data. You will see the data populate across your selected sheet. Adjust any formatting as needed to suit your preferences. To automate future imports, set up a schedule through the Google Sheets add-on. Check back in your Google Sheets regularly to see updates from Square. You have successfully connected Square to Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.